Hi guys, went out charity shopping today down at Clevedon. Spotted this Skateboarding Santa animatronic toy. I nearly bought it. They wanted £2.50 for it. I actually had my money out and had my bag ready. And I thought, let's just try it on the floor. And it doesn't work. It almost works. The electric motor works. It's got a single wheel under the skateboard to drive him forwards, but it looks like he's supposed to move his leg along with the skateboard.
That's what it should. It should
push it along.
Should go backwards and
that bit's not
so
working.
Actually pushing himself along.
I was very tempted to buy it, but I'd already bought 2 other animatronic Christmas toys on the day, and I couldn't push myself to buy a 3rd one, so I left it. I'm sure it's repairable, but I didn't buy it. Sorry guys. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.